Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make all TikTok videos private at once. First, open your TikTok app. And then go to Profile on the bottom right. From here, tap on Menu on the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down to the bottom. Then, tap on Report a Problem. Once you're here, scroll down again and then select Account and Profile. Now, expand the Editing Profile section and then tap on Other. From here, scroll down again and tap on Need More Help. Now, all you gotta do is describe your issue in the box as shown here. After it's done, just tap on Submit. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.